That's my gym. Okay, isn't it crazy how we're back in the car literally the next day? I don't know why I paid for my parking ticket if I was gonna do this video, because now I want to talk, but like I paid for the parking ticket, so I have to like get out of here. So I'll just talk and hope you can hear me. So I was actually studying when the trade how do I get out of here? Something like this. So I was actually studying I decided to go study at Starbucks because I couldn't focus at school when I got like the alert that price was to my break-even level, right? So the level that I would have gone break-even at. So okay, I go in to try and move price to try and change where my stop loss is, and I see that, oh my goodness, I'm running in 10,900 and something equity, right? So my equity is like 10,900 and something, and I was like, oh my word. Like, in fact, I was like, if my equity is at 10,900 and something, if I close this trade now, it means I won the challenge. No, I won the challenge. I won the challenge. I passed phase one. It means that I passed phase one if I closed it then. But I kept reminding myself, like, my rules don't say anything about closing trades. So I try to hold back and not do it, even though I saw that, oh my goodness, if this thing like reverses, that means I'm closing this for a break even instead of just like getting this challenge. So I sat down and I was patient. Eventually I was like, no way, I'm gonna let this trade reverse on me, and then I walk out with like $6 or something like that. When I let price hit break even, I'm gonna take partials now. I calculated the difference between my current balance and 10,800 or whatever, and then like the difference was like $156, right, that I needed. So I closed the trade for 0.5, whatever that means. I partially closed it, so I took out, it was a 0.7 lot size, and I closed out 0.5 of it, 0.5 lots, and now it's currently sitting at 10,840 my balance. But again, there's like a about a 0.2 lot that's still running currently. So we're outside now, so there's like a 0.2 lots that's currently running, but I moved my stops to break even, and I have about a $40 buffer. I have about a $40 buffer in case that trade. I need to put on my GPS by the way to school. Oh, okay, I'll just guess. I think I know the way to school from here. Yeah, no, I do know the way to school. So that means, like, to summarize the entire story, that means I pass my phase one. Guys, that's like crazy. It's like crazy to like even say it. Like, I passed my phase one. And I'm trying to get excited because it's not like I've actually won the challenge. It just means I passed phase one. There's still phase two to think about, but it's like, this is such a huge milestone for me, because like I knew if I at least passed phase one, why do I keep saying past phase one? I knew that if I passed phase one, it would show like like progress, guys. Okay, it'd feel like, okay, I'm finally getting somewhere with my trading. It's not all in my head. There's actually some sort of an improvement, you know what I mean? To actually be able to even get 8% in 1 month. So it's like, I feel like crying, but I'm not gonna do that. I'll cry later. But it's like I passed my phase one. I'm still waiting for Trader Central to email me. I think I might have to email them about it. I'm not sure, but whatever. But so I passed my phase one challenge, guys. And it's crazy because literally yesterday I was sitting in this car, like telling you I feel like a loser, I feel pathetic, I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, and then like the next day I passed the challenge. So I'm just like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna calm down. I'm way too excited about this. But it's like, it's not even about the challenge, okay? It's not about the money or anything like. It's just about finally me seeing progress in my trading. That's what it's about. It's not about, oh, now I can bowl, now I'm a millionaire, now I haven't even gotten the funding challenges, so I don't know what I'm saying. But like passing phase one like just shows me that I'm moving in the right direction, that I'm progressing. I've been in this game, it's gonna be 4 years this year, I believe, 2018. Yeah, so it's gonna be 4 years this year, and not once in my life, guys, I'm gonna be so transparent because I'm in a good mood, clearly. Not once in my entire 4-year trading career have I ever been able to take money out of the market or withdraw. Okay, so it's been 4 years, 0 withdrawals. It's just been me for 4 years losing. So it's like to like finally just to pass this challenge and make that 8% is like, it's kind of big, not because again of the money, but because it shows that I'm getting somewhere, or I'm on the right track, or you know what I mean. And it's like, the crazy thing is, yesterday was such an emotional roller coaster that briefly I thought about not trading today. And today's when I made my 2 winning trades, 4%, okay, 4%, about 4%. So yesterday, because of how bad everything was, I was like, maybe I should take tomorrow off because I'm not sure where I'll be, like psychologically, will I be able to trade, blah blah blah. But I'm like, no, you're a trader, Lesoko. If you lose, you lose. You get over it. You're right. Every day is a completely different day. It's a completely different trading situation or scenario. You forget about whatever happened yesterday and you trade the same as you did. So it didn't take a huge emotional toll on me to re-enter again today. Surprisingly, I was just like, get over it. I literally told myself, just get over it. Do what you have to do. Enter when you have to enter. If it's a loss, just take the loss. So it's like, imagine if I didn't trade today, guys, because of how I was feeling yesterday. But I really just told myself, I keep spitting. I really just told myself, treat that it's not the same day. It's a completely different day. Trade the way you're supposed to. Your trading strategy says you trade every day. When there's an entry, I don't trade every entry or trade every trigger. That's what your trading plan says. So I ignored my emotions, even though the next day I was feeling a bit better. Well, today I was feeling a bit better. I just ignored them and I entered. And I just entered and I passed my. Sorry, guys. I don't even know what to do with myself. I really don't know what to do with myself. I don't. And I think it's the 11th day. It's been 2 weeks. It's about 2 weeks. No, this is my second week taking the challenge. 7. Okay, whatever. I'm not about to do that math. But whatever. Where am I? Okay, now I see. Okay. So yeah, this is just an announcement that I passed my phase 1. I'm just waiting for Trader Central. Or I'll have to email them. I don't know. I'll tell you like later on today when I finalize everything. But your homegirl is 1 phase away from being a funded trader. I'm not excited, guys. Again, I'm not excited about the money. It's not the money aspect. It's just like progress. My word, progress. It's just like, yes, finally, I'm seeing something. It's not an excitement about the money, or it's just excitement that I'm finally something is happening. You know, even though I've passed the challenge, I still have never withdrawn from the market. So that's something to think about too. But anyway, Trading's not easy. I'm literally repeating the same advice I told you guys or told myself yesterday. Trading is not easy. Do what you gotta do. Stick to the plan. The only way out of it is through it. There you go. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna end the video here because it's not supposed to be like a very deep, in-depth video. It's just me showing my excitement for passing phase 1. I think I need to get the official thing. Okay, that'll be later on in the what am I even saying? I'm still waiting. Like I said, I'm still waiting for Trader Central to notice or to email me. So when that comes, I'll show you, and then the video will end, and then I'll do a proper video later on detailing. I want to tell my friends, but I feel like I just want to tell like my bestie. I have like a best friend. I want to say, I passed my challenge, phase 1 of my challenge. But then I feel like, am I like just too excited? Then I fail. Then I fail phase 2. I really don't care if I fail phase 2, but I do care. Let me not lie. I do care if I fail phase 2, but I'll feel like I'm a better trader. That's the point. That's my entire point. It's not about the challenges anymore. It's just about I've proved to myself that I am a capable trader. That's my point. That's what I'm. Should I turn here? Should I turn? Okay. Straight. I've just proved to myself that I am a capable trader. So I want to tell my friend only because I don't know. I'll decide. But anyway, so I'll see you guys probably in the next clip where I'm showing you what Trader Central has said, whatever it is that they're gonna. I don't know what they're gonna even email me. I'm not sure like what it's going to say, but yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. I really hope the audio is working. I also just shot a 11-minute video talking to myself. But really, guys, glory be to God. Oh my gosh, not honestly, you know, God knows how many times I've cried over trading or been extremely disappointed over trading and felt like, you know, pathetic or a loser or something over trading. God knows. And I'm super grateful and thankful that I'm even a person who can say that they've oops, nope, the car just switched off. That's embarrassing. Just go. Go. I'm such a bad driver. That made me look like such a bad driver. Oh well, I don't care. I'm a phase 1 trader. Anyway, God knows how many times I've cried over my trading and my trading results and all that good stuff. He knows. So it's I'm just super grateful that I can say I've passed phase 1. Obviously there's still levels to it. There's still I still want to get to a certain place in my trading and I'm not there yet. But I'm getting there. So I'm just parking my car at the school. I'm just parking my car at school because I'm writing a test tomorrow, and I'm just meeting up with somebody to practice. To practice for the test tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing. But anyway, I'll see you probably in the next clip where I'm showing you some sort of evidence or proof or something. So peace.